Dear friends, in this tutorial I will show you how you can install required plugins for AiPack theme. Go to the begin install plugin or click on install plugin menu. I am just clicking here. Now select all of them and now choose install. Click apply now. It will download and install all the required plugins for this theme. Let's wait. After successfully installed every all plugins, you can see an option return to the dashboard. Click here. You can see this screen. Now close it. Now make sure all of the plugins are downloaded and installed successfully. Click plugins, install plugins. You can see all of the required plugins are downloaded and installed successfully. Next video I will show you the theme options. Stay tuned.